Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you. So today I brought back the seafood tower. I'm having some lobster, some shrimp, mussels, corn, potatoes, and sausage. For today's drink, I'm just doing a mint and lemon diffused water. Get this in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and say my grace and get started. I have my bowl right here for my shell and I have my dip here. So let me go ahead and say my grace. All right, I hope y'all can see everything. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Here's a mussel. A mussel that has some yummy butter sauce on it. Mix and dip up some. Oh, look, y'all. I have to hide my face because otherwise it'll try to focus on my face. That's so good. So I hope everybody's having a good day. Happy Monday. And I hope everybody enjoyed date night. I did. That Parmesan, crusted Parmesan chicken, it was so good. Oh, look at this, y'all. This has a lot of seasoning on it. But yeah, that crusted Parmesan chicken, it was really good. Y'all know they have the steak that has the crusted Parmesan cheese and stuff on top. Some corn. That's good. Y'all, I almost messed up my shrimp. I was in the restroom trying to do my makeup and stuff and forgot the shrimp in the pot. But I got to them in time, so. Oh, that's good. All right, I'm gonna get into one of these lobsters. Look at this, y'all. Take the tail off. Ooh. Y'all, this one got some bad stuff in the inside. All right. Let's see if this thing give me a hard time. Uh-oh. Oh. All right. It's not that bad. Cut this part off. All right. Hold on. Okay. Here we go. Think I got it all cleaned out. And I'm gonna just dip it in my sauce. Y'all, this is not cheese. Those of you that's new, it's a mayo mustard based dip. And I'll link a video down below so you guys can see how I make the dip. That's so good. Y'all, I've been waiting all morning for the maintenance guy to come. And as soon as I set my food on the table, he knocked on the door. So we just told him he had to come back. Because I've been waiting like all morning. Yeah, look at this. Yes. I mean, this one dripping all over the table, child. Look at the shrimp. See the shell? If you let the shrimp cook too long, the shell will stick to the shrimp. But I caught them in time, so they're not mushy. So that's a good thing. Because I cannot stand mushy shrimp. Come on. I didn't cook that many shrimp though. I only had like maybe like 6 or 7. So it's still nice and firm like I like it. Still good. Woo. See my little corn. I had Tony slice it up for me. It's nice and sweet. But I only used, I only sliced up 1 corn. I should have sliced up 2. Because now I want some more. And I think I only have like, I have like 3 more pieces up here, so. That's good. That's my little happy dance. Oh y'all, so the wine that I had for date night, the Stella Rosa, that was my first time having that one. The Asti, is that how you pronounce it? But it was really good. It was really nice and sweet. It was good. I've had the other one. I think the other one was Stella Rose Black, I think. It was like a red wine, like a sweet red. That one was good too, but I like the other one better. So I think that's something I'm gonna start doing on my date night, is just trying different wines. I don't know too much about wines, but you guys leave in the comments and let me know your favorite wine. And give me some different ideas on the wines that I can try. And like I said, I'll do those on date nights on Saturdays. I thought that would be real cute. So y'all let me know now. Don't try to put in the comments all this expensive stuff now. But I do want to try some different wines. And I do like sweet. I don't like none of those dry wines. I do like Pinot Grigio. I like Moscatos. You know, sweet stuff. But I know it's so many wines out there. I like Rieslings. So y'all let me know some of your favorite wines. And whose ever wine that I try, the suggestion, I'll make sure to give you a shout out in the next video, in date night video. So, ooh. Oh God. Okay. Y'all, I had the toughest kind with this lobster. But it's so good. Y'all, I still cannot find my daggone scissors. Oh God. Tony, can you come open this for me, please? Y'all, this water is so good. So refreshing. That's why I decided to wear my little yellow and white shirt. So I can match. I can match my water. Cutting up these little corns like this just makes it so much easier to eat them. Can you open that cloth for me? Say hey to the video. Just stick your hand in there.
What's up, y'all?
I have a mess in front of me, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay. Thank you. All right, y'all. I got the claw out. How I'm doing on my time? Because my camera will cut off. Y'all, I did post a new vlog on my vlog channel at I Am Sharika B. So you guys need to come check me out. I post every day. I post Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday on that channel. These mussels so good. I had to give them a break for a while because I was wearing them out when I first started eating them. What do I want? Do I have another claw? Yeah. Oh, this one broke. I can eat this one. I don't think I want to mess with that tail right now. I'll handle that tail later. Yeah, we watched Stranger Things last night. It was good. Tony fell asleep, but me and little Tony, we stayed up till about 1 o'clock watching it. But I'm gonna watch some of the episodes again with Tony, because like I said, he fell asleep. So ooh. But it was really good if y'all are into that kind of stuff. We like it. Whew. That was good. I'm gonna eat one more shrimp. What time is it? I should have brought my water bottle over here. But yeah, y'all, don't forget to leave me some leave your wine suggestions in the comments, and whoever wine I decide to go with for Saturday's date night, you'll get a special shout out. Okay guys, so I hope you're done eating if you're eating with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the next 2 videos at the bottom of the screen, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye y'all.